Hey, look! I'm investigating space with this fantastic tool called Trek NASA. It's really cool. Look, here I am exploring Mars. Wow, I'd love to ride a rocket up there, can you imagine? I could play soccer all day long, and the ball would never hit the ground. Hey, hi! I said hi! I got distracted by Trek NASA. How are you folks? Are you ready for a stream full of surprises? Get ready because it's going to be a blast! Hey folks, I need to tell you about something that happened to me yesterday, and I'm still thinking about it. It turns out that yesterday my friends wanted to go see a movie at the cinema, but a horror one. I was very hesitant, but I decided to be brave, and boy did I regret it. I was so scared that every scare made me jump out of my seat. And I almost spent the whole movie covering my eyes. I swear I thought about leaving, but I decided to stay until the end. At night, I had some nightmares, and my mom had to come and comfort me. Oh, you guys, it wasn't good at all. Well, back to our streaming. I want to let you know that today we are going to be using a really cool artificial intelligence tool. It's called NightCafe, and it's very cool. I'll tell you more about this tool later. But don't be anxious. We'll dive into the world of artificial intelligence later. But well, artificial intelligence aside, I want to tell you about something cool. Last night, as I was lying on my backyard lawn with my dad, I looked up and saw a bunch of bright stars in the sky. I stared at them for a long time. He started telling me about the names and the different stars, and I thought it was fascinating. You know what my dad told me? That the stars have names. Yes, I swear. And since I had my doubts too, I asked FlexFlix GPT and look at his answer. Wait, I'll open the chat. Look at this. I put, "Hello, chat. Is it true that stars have names?" And look at his answer. Hello. Yes, it is true that stars have names, although not all of them have a specific name like people's names. In astronomy, stars are commonly identified by their designation in astronomical catalogs, which usually include numbers and letters to differentiate them from each other. In addition, some very bright or important stars have been given names of their own throughout history because of their cultural or mythological significance. So yes, stars have names in the world of astronomy. Each has its own identity in the vast universe that we can explore and learn about them. Amazing, don't you think? So I thought it would be great to learn more about those mysterious little lights all together today in this stream. But before we explore the exciting world of stars together, I want to share something that got me thinking. As I was telling you, I was watching the night sky from my backyard, trying to count all the bright stars. And I realized that each one is like a piece of a giant puzzle called the universe. Learning about the stars helps us understand how things work in space and allows us to ask exciting questions. Well, I found a video on FlexFlix to learn about this topic, which I think is going to be really cool and helpful. Let's see. Here it is. Let's watch it.
We've learned in previous lessons that our solar system is formed by a central star, that is the sun. Do you remember how many stars there are in the universe?
There are a lot. So many that it's impossible to count them all.
The stars we can see are all part of the galaxy where the solar system is. We call it the Milky Way. But isn't the solar system a galaxy? No, the solar system is contained in the Milky Way. Galaxies are huge groups of stars, dust, and gas. They've got different sizes and shapes. Some are elliptical, others irregular, and others spiral, like our Milky Way.
Are the galaxies very far away from each other?
In the universe, distances are measured in light years. We need a special measure because distances are huge. If we could fly in a rocket, do you know how long it'd take to get to the nearest galaxy? 179,000 years.
Wow, folks. What an exciting trip we just had exploring more about the stars and space together. Now that I know how they form and shine, I can't wait to tell my dad everything I learned from this video. I now understand how all the elements of space are connected to each other. So the next time I look up at the sky, I'll know a lot more about what's going on up there than I did before. Okay, got it, guys? We now know that all the stars are part of the solar system, which is inside the Milky Way. Amazing. Seeing, learning, and understanding about stars and our Milky Way helps us discover how those lights in the sky are part of huge galaxies. Hey, you know what? I can think of one more thing to ask FlexFlix GPT. Wait for me to open it again. Very well. Here. Okay, I'm going to put chat. After learning more about the stars, I wanted to ask you for a short story about a boy who has a space adventure in which he explores the stars. All right, let's wait for the answer. Let's see. But wow, look. Amazing. I'm going to read the story. Alex, a curious star-loving boy, had an unforgettable experience one night. While gazing at the starry sky, he was taken on an adventure in space, floating among the stars and unknown planets. Alex explored the universe, marveling at its beauty and mysteries. After an exciting intergalactic journey, he returned to Earth with a heart full of excitement and a mind full of fascinating space memories. Since then, his passion for astronomy grew even more, always remembering the magic of that starry night. Wow, what a great story. I love FlexFlix GPT. That's why I urge you so much to give this tool a try. Okay, folks, now we're talking. After learning about this super cool topic, we are going to use the artificial intelligence tool I told you about at the beginning of the stream to boost our knowledge. But as I always tell you guys, remember that artificial intelligence is a powerful tool. But we must use it responsibly and with the help of an adult. That way we can learn new and fun things in a safe way. Okay, as I told you before, today we are going to be using a tool called NightCafe. It's a cool tool with which you can create images of all kinds. And since we're talking about stars and galaxies and universes, how about creating a new galaxy? Oh, I know. It could be the cover of the story we wrote with FlexFlix GPT. Let's see. First, let's go to the NightCafe website. Okay. Let's log in with our email or our parents' email. And now let's click where it says Create. Okay. Now we're going to add the prompt. That is the phrase that describes what we want. I'm going to write a huge galaxy, super fun, with lots of planets and colors. Perfect. I'm going to choose this. And we hit Create. And now let's wait for the result, folks. Wow, look. I love how good it turned out. It looks amazing. Did you notice what we did, folks? We used artificial intelligence tools to practice this topic and understand it in a clearer and more fun way. Yay, our brains got a real workout today, folks. And now, what do you say we close this awesome stream with a fun FlexFlix trivia? Let's go! What is the sun in our solar system? A moon, a star, or a planet? The sun is a star. Answer 2. That's right. Well done, folks. Okay, let's go to the next one. Where is our solar system located in the universe? In another galaxy, inside a black hole, or in the Milky Way? It's located in the Milky Way. That's right. Well done, folks. Okay, let's go with the last one. I'm ready. How are distances measured in the universe? In light years, kilometers, or minutes? They are measured in light years. Answer 1. That's right. Way to go, folks! Awesome! Hey, what a fun trivia game, guys! And what an exciting afternoon we've had today. We've learned so much together. We've explored space, learning about the stars, and creating a new planet with artificial intelligence. Awesome! Oh, wow, look at the time. Hey. Today's stream flew by. I'll be on my way. I've got some homework to do, and I want to play Minecraft for a while. I don't know if I'll have time, though. I had a great time with you guys today. See you next time. I love you guys so much. Bye.